Today we're gonna be on the train, the Halloween train. I'm Blenheim.
Yeah. And it says Halloween.
Well, that doesn't actually say Halloween.
And
that
there's
says trick or
a
treat.
spider, and there's a bat, and there's another bat right there, and there's a stupid thing.
There's a witch house.
And there's a spider,
And a
there's
purple bag. Where's the purple bag? The train is going to start very soon. And I would show you my toy if I was allowed to hold it for once.
spider. Where's the spider?
What was that noise?
I don't know.
We're going.
Sit down.
Okay. Train has started. The train has started, so now we're gonna go in a tunnel soon. Let's get a retunnel.
Yeah.
And literally, look, this is so funny. Look, the name was right. My name is Isaac, and my address is Games, and my phone is iPad and Xbox. And I did that when I was young, so I didn't know what any of that means. And I still don't know what an address is. Okay. And look, there's a hand next to a plus sign. Look, there's a hand next to a plus sign.
Can I see? Oh yeah, there's a hand.
Sassy,
There's
Sash,
a hand.
look at Nanny.
I don't know what to show you until we get to the top. I really actually don't. And there is actually like trees that are really good. They're coming right now. Like that one. For example, that one's just good. Yeah. That one's a normal one, that one's a weird.
Yeah.
Okay, we're nearly at the tunnel. We're nearly at the tunnel. And don't drop your phone out. Look, the train tracks. Okay, we're nearly at the tunnel.
I'm not standing in tunnel. I'm not standing. I'm not standing.
Grass is really short. And there's another weird tree. end of this one, we're going to show you the tunnel again. Because we're going to go on the train again. So we're going to show you.
It's because there's no way out until you do the train.
Well, there is actually.
Yeah.
We could just walk from there all the way to there. But we're going to go on the train. We're going to go on the train again. What are we going to walk?
What are we doing back?
We're going on the train.
We're doing the train. We are nearly to the end of the
And why? How can you enter a game